In this video we are going to learn that how to install WordPress localhost in our system. So first of all, open any browser in your computer and search local WP. Open the first website. The link is given in the description. So after opening the website, click on the download button and choose your operating system. As we are in Ubuntu, so we choose Ubuntu. Give details here and click on get it now. The download will start it shortly. As I have already downloaded the software, so I will not download it again. After downloading the software, open download folder and just install the software in your system. After installing, open the software. Now after installing, when you open it first time, it will ask you to create an account using your Gmail. So just simply create the account. After creating an account, you can see this. Now click on create a new site here. Choose this, click continue and give your website a name. We will name it as demo website 1. Click on continue, click continue again, and here we have to give the WordPress login details, username and password. I will give it as admin and admin. Now click on add site. Now this will take some times to install the required files, so we have to wait till the process is completed. As you can see, WordPress is installing. So now the installation has been completed. Now we just simply click here the WP admin button. As you can see, just click here and it will open the WordPress dashboard. Now give the password we choose at the time of setup, admin and click on this button. Now we can access the WordPress dashboard here completely, the latest version. As you can see, all working. This is our demo website. We can change them, install plugins, themes, anything we want to do. So this is the most easiest method to install and set up WordPress localhost in our Ubuntu machine. If you have any question, then you can ask in the comment section, and please subscribe our channel to get these informative videos daily.